Hi, welcome to the Planet 4 Handbook. This website is a documentation website designed to help you learning how to use the Planet 4 websites, the Planet 4 technology, to give you access to all the community content and essentially the latest news about our product. So the way we shape this documentation site is to provide multiple accesses to the content that you are interested to. So you can also either navigate visually from the homepage, the main sections, or on the left, you have the main navigation tabs, which are the contribution opportunities, how to create content on the site, the design elements with our design systems, how to manage the website if you're an administrator, or how to get the latest updates. So for example, so to say, all sections are divided and split in subsections to facilitate access to the various pages. So the administration section, the administer section, allows you to see and have an overview of what you can do as an administrator in terms of search or other commands that only administrators can do. But say also the search feature has been revamped. So if you, in case you want to have a look at the block covers, the covers block, which is one of the most popular ones, you just search for covers and you will see the most popular results. Please remember, you can also filter by content type. So if you want to check all documentation pages, just filter by page, or if, for example, you want to see a release note, just filter by post. All right. There are some sections on the site that are restricted. So all the sites is obviously publicly available because you don't need to log in to consume the content or to consume documentation. However, to, for example, improve Planet 4 and if you want to submit an idea or vote for existing ideas, you need to log in, which you can do through this button that takes you to the sign-in page, or you can also access it, of course, from the home page, which is the first button that you see when you arrive right on the website. That's pretty much it. For any bits or anything you need, if you want to get in touch with the team or follow the Planet 4 updates, right in the footer you find links to our Medium publication, to our blog, our YouTube channel for all the video tutorials, our GitHub repository, our Twitter hashtag, and of course, if you want to write to the team, that's where you get it. Thank you and enjoy the handbook.